The chapter the chapter which I'm gonna teach today is a humorous story, The Tiger King, written by Kalki. So before starting the chapter, let us have a short introduction of its writer. Kalki is the pen name of Sri R. Krishnamurti. He was born in the year 1899 and his demise took place in 1954. He authored 35 volumes of short stories, many novels, biographies, travelogues, and essays. His inimitable style makes him a reminiscent of Walter Scott. Now let us have the overview of the chapter. The chapter is about a Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. This Maharaja was much hyped and titled Maharaja's name, shortened to the Tiger King. The Maharaja was very proud and arrogant and believed that he is more powerful over destiny and stars. He was crowned at the age of 20. Then he overheard about a forecast by a 10 by a 10 days old infant, which said that whosoever borns has to die one day. The Maharaja, knowing this, asked the astrologer about the way by which the Maharaja can meet his death. The astrologer told him about the 100th tiger. From then, the Tiger King sat on the mission to kill the tigers, and he never allowed anyone to kill them. And if anyone did so, then the Maharaja would punish him by taking away all his property. This way, Maharaja killed 70 tigers, and he could not find any in his own kingdom. So he married a princess who was having a large tiger population in her state. So whenever the Maharaja went there, he would kill around 4 to 5 tigers at a time. This way, he was able to kill 99 tigers. However, he could not find the 100th tiger. So his divan and his wife arranged for an old tiger in the forest. The Maharaja killed the old tiger and got elated. The villagers later found that the tiger was not dead. Instead, it fainted because of meekness. So to prevent themselves. They killed the tiger themselves and presented in front of the king. The king constructed the tomb of the tiger and was very happy to prove destiny wrong. The king bought a wooden tiger for his son. It was not having fine edges. The silvers of woods stand up or stand up like quills all over it. The Maharaja, while playing with the prince, gets hurt when a tiny silver pierces pierced his right hand. The Maharaja avoided it and later on it developed pus and became fatal and died. So this tiger proved to be the 100th tiger which led to the death of Maharaja. This way, Maharaja saw his death and the proclamation of the future came out to be truthful. Now let us have a look over the theme of the chapter. The theme of the story is that the destiny is all powerful and inevitable, and that one is governed by one's stars and therefore ought to take one's astrologer seriously. The story makes a frantic call for the protection of the tiger. Indeed, all the flora and fauna. This was all about this chapter. In the next class, we shall continue with another chapter. Thank you.